Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Who do we have here today?
Colin Seidel.
Oh, and what are we doing?
Skydiving.
Oh my goodness, why would we ever do such a thing?
Want to do it since I was like 16. Finally able to do it because I'm 18 now.
Nice, we're finally checking it off that list, huh?
Yes, sir.
Heck yeah, man. Well, do you know how high you're going today?
It's like 14,000 feet?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's pretty up there, isn't it?
Scary, but.
Nice, yeah. And if you had to guess, how fast do you think we're gonna fall back to Earth?
Over 100 at least.
Yeah, about 120, 125 maybe, something like that. Pretty exciting, huh?
Yeah.
You ever been that fast before?
No.
No? Right
Not
on,
even.
man. We'll check it out. We get to see what real speed feels like today.
Yes, sir.
Heck yeah, man. Well, you ready for it?
Yeah.
All right, we'll
get
check it
on.
out. I can see we've got you all geared up here.
Yes, sir.
We got a very beautiful morning up there. And there's a plane just waiting for us to get on it right around that corner. So,
Sweet.
next best thing is go see what it's all about, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's go show that world a good time.
Yeah.
Yo, back on the ground safely.
Yes, sir.
How was that?
Thrilling.
Tell me about it. What was your best part?
Jumping out of there, just the free fall.
Yeah, that first.
It was just surreal.
Oh yeah,
It was
isn't it?
insane.
Heck yeah, man. How about those views?
Gorgeous, actually. Like the clouds of below you and stuff. Oh my God. It
Heck
was-
yeah, man. Right on.
Amazing
Hey, so big
experience.
question everybody wants to know. Would you do that again?
Yeah, probably.
Right on, dude. Right on. Well, hey, welcome to the sky. We couldn't have done it without an amazing instructor right here.
Thank you.
Very beautiful morning, like we just said. But most importantly, we couldn't have done it without you coming out here to see us at Spaceland St. Marcus.
Yes, sir.
Thanks again. Until next time.
See you later, man.
Woo.